How's it going, very important people? Continuing our Microsoft tutorials, today's video is about saving, exporting, and printing in Microsoft Word. So say we want to save our document here. We'll go to File in the top left of the screen to access the save options. There are two different save options since we've never saved this document before. You can select Save to save changes you've made to the document in the future, but if you select Save the first time, it will actually take you to the Save As screen, because Save As is essentially the function that allows you to name a document and select its location. You can also use Save As when you want to save a version of a document without overwriting the original. For example, if you have a timesheet template for work and it's important that you save your timesheets from every month in a separate file, using the Save As function would preserve the original template while still saving the document you need as a separate file. From your document, you can also select the floppy disk icon above the ribbon to save changes as you go along. Next, let's go over exporting. For a resume or branded document that you don't want being edited, there's an option to export a Word document as a PDF. This is also great for web documents if you need to upload a PDF for client resources or something of that nature. So you'll go to File, then select Export, and the PDF option should already be selected. You click on this button here and that will open a new window where you can rename your PDF. Once you save it, you can check to make sure that everything looks right. Moving on to printing. If your document is already formatted the way that you want it, then all you should have to do is go to File and then Print. Make sure the printer status says Ready, and then click the box with the printer icon, and your printer should boot up at that point and start printing. If it doesn't, then first make sure your printer is on and has plenty of ink and toner. But if you see in the print preview that there's something in the formatting you would like to change, there are a few options from this print dialog. These changes will not be saved to the document after printing, but for this specific printout, say you want more narrow margins, you can adjust that here. You can also select which pages you want to print if this is a multiple page document and you don't need every page printed. And you can change the orientation of the paper if you decide that your document is better printed horizontally. Again, this will not save changes to the original document. It is specifically for this printout. Lastly, you have the option to print on both sides of the paper up here. And as you can see, there are several different options for that, so select the one that works for you. If you missed our video on the essentials of Microsoft Word in 5 minutes, I'll link to that and other helpful videos in the description. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and if your business isn't already a valued VIP customer, give us a call at 918-279-7000 for a free evaluation of all your business technology needs. All you have to do is mention that you saw this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.